In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll contacts in a sequence in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to streamline your contact management process or need to make specific changes to your workflow, unenrolling contacts is a straightforward task that can significantly enhance your efficiency. Let's dive in to see how you can do this in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, locate the login option. You'll find it conveniently placed at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to begin the login process. This will take you to the sign in page where you have the option to log in using different methods. For a faster and more integrated experience, click on Sign in with Google. Select the Google account associated with your HubSpot access to move forward. This method not only saves time, but also ensures a secure way of verifying your identity. Once you're logged in, you're going to head over to the CRM section. To do this, follow the link provided within your HubSpot portal or manually navigate through the main dashboard. The CRM section is essentially your command center for managing all your contacts and sequences. Upon entering the CRM, look around and click on the Contacts tab. This area is central to managing all your communication. Here, you will see a list of all your contacts. Browse through this list to find the specific contact you wish to unenroll from the sequence. This could be due to multiple reasons. Maybe the contact has fulfilled their purpose within the sequence, or perhaps you've decided to take a different approach. Click on the specific contact's name to access more detailed options. On the contact's main page, you will notice various details and actions available. Focus your attention on the top left panel where you'll spot the Unenroll button. Click this button, and with that, you've successfully removed the contact from the sequence. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can easily manage your contacts and sequences within HubSpot, allowing you to adapt and tailor your marketing strategies effectively. Remember, managing your contact lists efficiently can lead to more targeted and successful campaigns. Feel free to revisit this process anytime you need to make changes to your sequences. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and you feel more confident managing your HubSpot contacts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore HubSpot's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.